Under your leadership, the upper house is transitioning to become more dynamic and progressive in line with international parliamentary standards. Public connectivity, openness and transparency are some of the essential hallmarks of parliamentary chambers. And I have no doubt that the administrative and policy measures undertaken in your leadership would serve to strengthen the upper house, thereby strengthening federation, democracy and governance as well. Mr. Chairman, increased public outreach and allowing public participation in Senate proceedings in the last 3 days will surely help restore people's trust and confidence in the parliamentary democracy as a guardian of the democratic aspirations. There is, in this entire process, this is a triumph of democracy, this is a triumph of parliament, this is a triumph for lawmakers who represent the people of Pakistan, and overall, in my humble opinion, this is a triumph for federation and the federating units. Mr. Chairman, as this commemorative session of the Senate comes to a close, I feel elated to note that the journey that this August House started 50 years ago to usher in a new era of national unity, cohesion, and integrity of the Federation has been gaining the strength with every passing day. Mr. Chairman, I also take this opportunity to pay tributes to the former chairman, former deputy chairman, and senators of this constitutional forum for their praiseworthy contributions and for lending a sane voice and guidance of reason and logic in negotiating the challenges whenever faced by the Federation. Mr. Chairman, it comes as a sublime pleasure for me that today this revered forum stands distinguished as a hub of collective wisdom of the nation, personified by seasonal parliamentarians. Chairman, allow me to conclude on a very positive note that in spite of huge current challenges, I see a bright future ahead of all of us for this August parliamentary chamber, for our nation and for our beloved Pakistan. Inshallah, this is my belief and faith. Allah will always protect and progress Pakistan, which was created in the name of Kalama La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. I think I conclude my brief remarks with a small share. कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहाँ चीज है क्या सब लौह कलम तेरे हैं. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Pakistan जिंदाबाद.
Thank you sir. कल यहाँ पे एक सजेशन दिया था हमारे फॉर्मर सेनेटर नवाबजादा, मैं देता हूँ सुनिए साहब, नवाबजादा मक्सी साहब ने
और खिदमात काबिल तहसीन हैं, अहम मौके पर कहा है, जिसके लिए नेक तमन्नाओं का इजहार करता हूँ. हालिया अहम और बड़े चैलेंजेस के बावजूद यकीन है कि तामीर और तरक्की का ये सफ़र